If VLC media players is lagging, stuttering, or skipping during playback, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can make a huge difference. These steps are quick, beginner-friendly, and they can help improve smooth playback, whether you're watching movies, clips, or large video files. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is toggle hardware accelerated decoding. Open VLC media player on your computer, then go up to Tools and click Preferences. Inside the Preferences window, select the Input and Codecs tab. Now look for the setting called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. If it's currently set to automatic, change it to disable. If it's already set to disable, switch it back to automatic. This may sound simple, but on some systems, one setting performs much better than the other depending on your graphics card and video format. Once you've changed it, click Save, then close VLC completely and reopen it so the change can take effect. If VLC is still stuttering, the next fix is to increase file caching. Go back into Tools, then Preferences again. In the bottom left corner, check the box for All so you can access the advanced settings. On the left side, click Input and Codecs, then scroll down on the right side until you find the Advanced section. Look for file caching in milliseconds. By default, this is often set to a low number like 300. Try increasing it to something like 1000 or even 2500 if the video is still buffering or lagging. A higher cache value gives VLC more time to preload video data, which can help prevent frame drops and stuttering, especially on slower drives or larger files. After adjusting it, click Save and restart VLC again. Now, let's move on to the FFmpeg thread setting. This one can help VLC handle decoding more efficiently on certain systems. Open Preferences once more and make sure all is selected in the bottom left corner. Then expand Input and Codecs. Go into Video Codecs and then click FFmpeg. In that section, find threads. If it's set to 0, that means automatic. Change it to 2 and then click Save. After that, restart VLC. This setting tells VLC to use a different thread configuration for decoding, and for some users that can reduce lag and improve smoothness during playback. If you've tried all of that and VLC is still acting up, the next best step is to reset or update the player. To reset VLC preferences, go to Tools, then Preferences, and click Reset Preferences at the bottom. This will return VLC to its default configuration, which can fix hidden settings that may have been causing the problem. If you'd rather keep your settings, or after resetting, it's also a good idea to check for updates. On Windows or Linux, go to Help and click Check for Updates. On macOS, go to the VLC Media Player menu and look for the Update option there. Installing the latest version is important because performance bugs and playback issues are often fixed in newer releases. After making these changes, test your video again and see how it plays. In many cases, just changing hardware acceleration or increasing the cache is enough to fix VLC lag and stuttering problems right away. If one setting doesn't solve it, try the next one until you find the combination that works best for your system. I hope this tutorial helped you get smoother playback in VLC Media Player. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more VLC settings or video playback fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.